How to remove emo accounts from other devices. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. If your emo account is currently logged in with another device and you just want to remove from that device, then here's the process that you can do. Super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, not to remove emo account from other devices, you just need to open up the emo application from your phone and then go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. And from your profile, simply go and tap on the settings option, and inside the settings, simply go and tap on manage devices. And once you tap on these, it's going to show you all the devices that your current emo account has been logged in. You'll get to see I have only one device logged in, that is iPhone 11, and let's say I want to remove my emo account from this specific device. And now to do that, you'll get to see the delete icon beside the device name. You just need to tap on these, and here it's going to show you all the details, and then simply go and tap on this delete button and tap on delete, and your account will be immediately logged out from that specific device. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.